Psychology quiz. Which part of the brain is primarily responsible for regulating emotions and forming memories? Amygdala. What term describes the tendency to attribute our own behavior to external factors while attributing others' behavior to internal factors? Fundamental attribution error. What is the term for a sudden and involuntary response to a stimulus, such as jumping when startled? Reflex. Which type of learning involves associating a neutral stimulus with an unconditioned stimulus to elicit a conditioned response? Classical conditioning. What term describes the mental shortcut or rule of thumb that often leads to a quick decision but may not always be accurate? Heuristic. What is the primary focus of cognitive psychology? Mental processes. Which psychological approach emphasizes the importance of unconscious processes and early childhood experiences? Psychoanalysis. Who is known as the father of modern psychology and established the first psychology lab in 1879? Wilhelm Wundt. Which theory of motivation involves a hierarchy of needs, starting from basic physiological needs to self-actualization? Maslow's hierarchy of needs. What term describes the phenomenon where individuals perform better on tasks when in the presence of others? Social facilitation.